101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart FM Makassar. Welcome back with BPEC Makassar. So I'm here, Mutmainatu Safia, as the host tonight. And yeah, as you guys know, as you guys can see, I'm not alone here. I'm already with my friends from BPEC Makassar as always. So hello guys.
Hello.
Hello. Okay. So our topic tonight is trust issue. In Indonesian, it's just like a problem. People with problem of trusting people. So probably before we start our discussion, one of you, not one of you, but all of you can introduce yourself first. Start from you, please. Yes.
So, hello everyone.
Hello.
Good evening. My name is Reinhard Tekla, and you can call me Tekla, and I live in Daya. Thank you.
Okay, wow, you live in Daya, so far from here. Yeah, okay, next.
Hello, smart listener. Tendri here, and I'm committee of BPEC.
Oh,
Thank you.
committee of BPEC.
Yes.
Okay, hello, Kak Tendri.
Hello everyone, I am Alvina Bella Putri. People usually call me Pia.
Oh, Pia. Hi, Pia. And then next.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Sadli Putra. You guys can call me Sadli, and I've been joining BPC since I was elementary, grade 6.
Wow, so old, yeah. Okay, next.
Hello, smart listener. I am Muhammad Isril Abidin. You guys can call me Isril, and currently I'm a student of State Islamic University of Makassar.
Wow, okay, nice to meet you guys. So, all of you already know our topic tonight?
Yeah.
I think I already mentioned it before. I already mentioned that our topic tonight is trust issue. But before we start the discussion, one of you please can you please introduce what is BPEC and what kind of activities you actually you usually did in Rotterdam? Yeah, okay.
Oh, okay. So BPEC is the acronym of Benteng Panynyua English Club, one of the oldest English community in Makassar, and we always conduct our meeting in Fort Rotterdam every single Sunday. It's called Lovely Sunday Meeting, and there are several items that we provide there. The first one is Who Am I? In Who Am I section, everybody who thinks that they are newcomer, they have to introduce themselves one by one. And then after that, we have an icebreaking. Icebreaking items means that the committee will provide some kind of game that can break the awkward situation among us. Because after that, we have like discussion and debating, or we call it DND. We are going to discuss about interesting topic. It could be like people pleaser or something. And after that, we are going to debate about that topic, and the committee will provide some kind of motion that relate with the topic. And then after that, we have building skill item. In building skill, the committee will provide a material related to English in order to improve our knowledge or understanding in English. It can be like grammar, vocabularies, idioms, etc. And then after that, we have entertainment. In entertainment, if you guys think that you have a talent that you can show to others and entertain others, you can stand up and you can show to others. It can be like singing, dancing, or stand-up comedy.
Oh, wow.
And then the last one is announcement. In announcement, if you think that you have like information about something, you can stand up and inform other participants, so the other participant can know that and can join in your for example, seminar or English course or others. And the good news is it's free of charge. It's free of charge.
Oh, free of charge.
Yeah.
Oh, is there any requirements to fill?
No, there is no any requirement, and it can be accessed for everyone.
Oh,
Yes.
so it's open for public.
Yeah. open to
Wow,
public.
oh my god, such an interesting, yeah.
Yes,
So
of
guys,
course.
yeah, make sure that you come to Fort Rotterdam Makassar every Sunday
Every
at
Sunday.
10 a.m. Wow, okay. So yeah, thank you Kak Yusril.
Okay,
And
thank
then
you.
yeah, probably we can start our discussion tonight. So we are going to talk about trust issue. So start from yeah, Katekla. Yeah. How do you define trust issue in your own term?
Okay, so I think that trust issue is when someone having a problem with trusting any other people because
Yes.
he's been like uh, there's like a people kind of betray their trust
Yes.
to this how to say like uh
They already have like betrayal experience.
like such things.
Yeah.
And this kind of person is kind of pathetic, if I would say that. Yeah, I think that's it.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Kak Tekla. Okay, so what about Kak Tinri? Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Trust issues. It's interesting topic today
Yeah.
because trust issue when I don't believe someone's in my life and not in around a new habit, a new circle.
Yeah, new circle.
And it's so difficult to believe him or her. So it's characteristic trust issue. And why? Because it's like Kak Tekla said before, is maybe it's some of problem like betrayal or like manipulation, and
Yes.
etc. So maybe they have bad experience in past. Yeah, that's all for me.
Okay, so what about Pia? Yeah.
Okay, I think trust issues are often connected to negative experience in the past, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, being let down or betrayed by people who you trust,
Yeah.
whether it was a friend, parents, partner, or other. And yeah, I think trust is like a condition in which person has a low trust in other.
Oh, okay. So yeah, most of you has same definition. Yeah. So what about you, Kak Sadli?
Well, trust issues. To be honest, let me just say it in a more maybe scientific way.
Okay. Yeah.
Based on what I've read, trust issues is usually categorized by three types of feardom.
Three
First
types.
is fear of betrayal. So basically, someone betrayed you, or we can say infidelity.
Yeah.
Second is fear of abandonment.
Abandonment.
So basically, someone ignore you.
Yeah.
Third is fear of manipulations, and this is what usually happens around us without noticing. So such example would be dishonesty and gaslighting.
Yeah. I see.
And then to put everything into account, that trust issues are typical of person that incapable of opening up its individual to the outside world, because no one can give that person a token of security and assurance. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, so far I got the point. This trust issue is your definition is negative things, yeah. So based off your definition, trust issues is a negative thing. So what about you, Kak Yusril?
Okay, I thought that I got different question.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so to begin with, trust issue is one of the interesting topic to be discussed because it's one of the most interesting topic to be discussed in especially for a young generation, because they always think that they got this issue. And after read several several sides about trust issue. I can define that trust issue is a condition when someone inclines to be traumatic toward people. They constantly think that other people always try to betray them, or other people always have bad intention to them. So let's say they always think that people is not as good as what they want. Yeah.
So from your explanation, I guess that this trust issue is just like is same as disorder, yeah? It's
Yeah,
kind
kinda.
of personality disorder.
Yeah.
So what about you, Kak Henry? Do you think it is a personality disorder? Yeah, based off your definitions.
Actually, when the height of what is that trust issue, it's maybe it's getting mental disorder.
Oh,
But when we still believe someone's, and it's mean that not.
oh,
so, yeah,
if
it's
we
50-50.
still open
Yeah.
for trusting someone,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you think it's not a disorder, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what about you, Tekla? Have you ever lost your trust on a particular person?
Definitely.
Oh, so can you
Well-
please explain to us what kind of experience you felt that in the past?
Okay, so there's quite a lot, but let's start with my closest person.
Okay.
It is my dad.
Oh,
Well, I told my dad about something. I think I cannot talk it specifically here.
Yes.
I cannot say particularly what kind of thing I told my dad.
yes.
I was 6, and I told my dad something, and then I told him that please don't say this thing to anyone. It turns out, like probably 4 hours later, my dad told everyone about this thing I've taught. Okay, so that's the first time I got my trust issues.
Oh, so in Indonesia we called it cepu. Okay, so yeah, what about you, Pia? Have you ever lost your trust in a particular person?
Yes, I have,
Oh.
but sorry, I don't want to mention it. But it's my friend. I trust her, and I already make sure she is not a kind of person. But sadly, she makes me disappointed.
Oh, disappoint.
Yes.
Yeah. So she ever did something to you?
Of course, and it's really hard to me.
Oh, okay. I see.